Hello everyone, I just thought I will show you my latest craft haul. I shopped at the Works. I've also shopped at Hobbycraft this week as well, so if you want me to do a review on the two companies, I'm happy to do that. So I've got a box of things from there, and what I love about the Works is it's super cheap. One of the comparisons with Hobbycrafts is that it is more affordable and you get a lot more quantity for the price. So I've got some buttons, I've got wooden embellishments for £1, got some of these plastic baubles, these are really nice for fairy gardens and terrariums, just for £1 as well. I've got different sizes of googly eyes or wiggly eyes for £1. These are really good for kids' craft. I bought this for a Halloween project that I might do for you all. Just £1.50. You can decorate it however you like. Just some sponge things to paint with. I really love these, and I think I'm going to probably resin these, but we'll see what I'll end up doing with it. I just tend to buy things that I know I will use and then just think about what to do with them later. Again, some £1 Christmas trees. I bought quite a few of these because they're really handy, to be honest, for terrariums, for Christmas ornaments. The quality isn't so great, I can see, but I mean, it is only £1 and you get 5 in there, so it's really good, I think, for the price. I've got a lot of wooden embellishments in this craft haul. I just think there's quite a lot that you can do with them, stamp them, decorate them, and also use them for resin projects. And the same for this, Let It Snow, £1, and you get 3 in there. Artificial snow for £1. Just some batteries, some orange acrylic paint, a little mermaid, nice for a kind of water snow globe I might have planned. Some fairies, wooden fairies, again for £1, and just look at how much you get in there. It's quite a lot, really good. Just some general craft things like felt, just some felt sheets, some wooden lollipop sticks, or solid sticks. They fitted so much into this tiny little box. Acrylic paint, some other kids this is like a bumper pack, really good value, £2, and you get a mix of things, pom-poms, eyes, sequins, sticky foams, just quite a lot in there, so that's really good for children. And craft leaves, I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with these, but they're really good for sort of like autumn crafts. And look at how adorable these are, £1. I'm going to probably turn these into earrings, and if you want to know how, make sure you subscribe to see the video. And same with these. I mean, I could turn these into necklaces, into earrings, even into just rings. Really beautiful, glittered, 2 colours, just £1 as well. And key charms for £1. Look at how many you get in there. This is really what I love about the works. I'm thinking to do a Harry Potter themed thing with these. And a felt Christmas tree that you can decorate with the kids. Really nice project there for £1. Just some small tubs. I've got so many of these, but I know I'm going to use them all. Again, some reindeer wooden embellishments for £1. Cat's decided to come onto my lap. And some adhesive pads. Just some general things here. Some more felt sheets, this time A4 for £1. Pearl roses for £1. These are really nice to decorate things with, and for my teacup sort of craft projects, which I need to do one soon. And some more black acrylic paint this time. These are for Halloween. Not sure what I'm going to do with them, but they will be useful. And a gross looking alien. It certainly didn't look like this on the website. Oh, I didn't know this is like, his brain is open. I didn't know that was going to be the case, but anyway, I have a good project lined up for this, but I just didn't expect this part. Anyway, that was only I think £1 as well. And I'm really looking forward to these. I absolutely love these. For your own baubles, you can just get so creative, and I'll probably have a few tutorials for Christmas using these as well. And that's it. I mean, I've got one last thing, but I kind of bought this for the cats, to be honest. It's a decorative peacock, but I thought I can maybe add this to a stick and get the cats to play with it. I'll probably remove the things that can fall off so that it's safe for them. And that's everything. When you make your first purchase, I think you get a voucher. I do believe I got a voucher, and it was like I think 15% off. All you do is pop your email in, and this video, isn't sponsored or anything. This is just my own personal haul, and I'm just showing you guys what I bought. If you want to head over to the works in the UK, I found that the shops don't tend to stock that much, and I actually didn't know they have a website. But if you do go on the website, you will find so much. Like, you will be on there for so long if you're like me anyway. I try to really hold back, and this was under £40. It was around 33. And as you can see, I've got just so much. It's incredible, honestly, what you can get for the price, especially compared to Hobby Crafts. I found, the price quite significant, but there are things on Hobby Crafts that you can get that aren't on the works. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you soon.